Yesterday we have completed a purchase order, right? And in the purchase order, okay, sorry. Okay, so by using the purchase order, we are receiving the goods MIGO, right? So MIGO, let's go to screen and entering the purchase order number here. Okay, enter here, and you can check that all the materials and quantity and where tab and all these things, and you select the item okay. Once if it is everything is fine, you can select item okay. And if you any delivery note number, your header text number, or any information which you have, you can enter that information here. Then click on check and click on post. So yesterday we got one error message which is material ledger, right? So for that what we did, as we explained in the chart box, okay, so there is a program to inconsistency. Okay, why we got that issue in MM03? If you can see in the yesterday, maybe you can see in the yesterday video. Okay, there you can see that what is the exactly error we got. Okay, so it is giving that the material ledger is not activated or something which we got, right? Did you remember that? Okay, so now I'll go to here, and in accounting you can go to accounting and see that there is a material ledger activation should be activated. So it will be happen automatically when you created a material master record. This material ledger activation will be happen automatically, and it will be price determination. It will be happen automatically. How it will be activated automatically? We did if you remember that we did OMX1 and OMX2, right? So there, if you can remember that our plant level, we entered that the price determination is 2 on material ledger activation. Okay, so it should be automatically activate that. Automatically it will be activated. But yesterday in the our metal master record, this is not activated. So what we did for that, you have to be go to SC38. Okay, SC38 is the program name. Okay, so in real time you don't need to bother here, but I'm just explaining here. Okay, so you can go to here and enter that this program number, this program name you have to enter. Okay, for material ledger repair, if anything which is inconsistency is there, this will be cleared. Then you have to be enter the material number and your valuation area, and if you have the material type that you can do, and you can create a missing material ledger data. Okay, so since it is already done, I just running in the texture. Okay, so that's why it is not displaying, but if it is not created, then it will display. Okay, let's see if I have the one more material, right? Let's see for that material, what is the material number? It is one more material which is there. Okay, so what is the plant GCM? Okay, so this is one material we have, right? Let's see this material. For this material, whether this is activated or not activated. Okay, this is already activated. Okay, so usually if it is not activated, okay, if it is not activated, then you have to do this program and run, and you can clear this the error message, the inconsistency, you can clear that. Okay, but here it is already activated. Okay, so now if you go to, I have created, if suppose I'm just creating that new material. Okay, suppose I'm just creating that material. Just go to basic data one and purchasing and general data and accounting data. Then Okay, I'm just creating that material. Okay, so you can see here this is the not activated, right? It is not displaying here. Okay, let's see. I'll just signing here and save. Go to display here. Okay, and let's see if you can able to see or not. You see here. Okay, so still it's not activated. So it should be activated automatically because we are using this at this plant level. It should we are using this, right? So in this case, maybe I'll try to do again. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, I'm just entering that material number, which is my material number. This is my material number. Okay, and let's see test trend. I'm just checking that text trend. Okay, so here it's not created. It's not created. If it is not created, it might be already exist. So let's try for this material. Will get same error or not? Let's see. Okay, and before that, let's try CKMM also. Let's try this CKMM also, whether it will work or not. Okay, actual costing, not production. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see this. I just starting that. So meantime, I'll just complete the goods receipt. Okay, so by previous purchase order, let's go to previous purchase order. So to complete the GR, okay, we goods receipt and purchase order and this purchase order number. And since in the metal master record, this is already material ledger activation is done by running that program. So this is activated. So for this material, there is no problem. So now I'll just adding that maybe if I want to go with 50 quantity, I can go with 50 quantity. Okay, or if you want to go fully quantity, you can go with full quantity. Okay, whatever it is you needed, you can go, and you can also maintain the delivery note, and you can do collective slip if you want to be generate. All these things you can do. Okay, so then item okay, check. Okay, so 50 quantity, actual order quantity is 100 quantity, but we received only 50, so 50 quantity it is coming. So now I'm just posting that. So now you are getting this error. This is the related to FY MM integration. Okay, so financial side they have to be assigned a GL account to post that the differences. Okay, price differences. Okay, so let's go to uh, SPRO. Go to SPRO and go to material management. Okay, and you can go to here inventory valuation and account assignment category and account determination. This account determination, so this will discuss about later when we are discussing about the FIMM integration, but I'll just to go to here. Okay, so you can do here check grouping here. This is the configuration related. Okay, so company code level, configuration, automatic posting. So here what we need to you have to whatever the error you are getting, let's go with that error. So the error which is getting that you are getting int is the this PRD is the transaction event key. Okay, int is the chart of account. So go to that the same transaction code int and PRD. So let's go to where is int PRD. So let's go to PRD, double click on that and enter the chart of account. Okay, int. Okay, then here in these GL accounts you have to be assigned to that the combinations, whatever the error we are getting, that error you have to be assigned here. So what is the error we are getting here? 3000 is not available, so you have to be assigned for 3000. So I'll just go with that any of the existing. Okay, I'll just go and just take copy and remove this valuation modifier. So first two are the blank and the valuation class is 3000 and the GL account we are assigning. Okay, so this is the based on the error message you have to be do. So this is the assignment will be done by a financial people, but this is the FI MM integration. So we'll discuss when we are discussing about the FI MM integration procedure. But now just try to understand. I just went to PRD transaction event key and I have entered that the chart of account int and the account modifiers and these two are blank. The valuation class is 3000. So it is telling that there is no combination of the GL account. Now I assign that GL account. So now let's try again. Check and click on post. So now it is posted document. Okay. So the GL account was assigned. The general ledger account is assigned. Now the GR was posted for this purchase order. Okay. So now let's see in the purchase order display. Double click on that purchase order here. Go to here and see that you can see the status of that. We ordered 100 pieces and we received a 50 quantity and still to be delivered has a 50. Okay, clear? So the status we can see. If you want to see that the documents which is posted, that means when you posting the any goods receipt or transfer posting on any stock movements which is valuated stock movements, then the system will be posted two material documents. One document is for the two documents will be posted. One is the material document that is relevant to the material management, and the other one which is posted FI document that is financial related accounting document. Okay, so whether this purchase order is completed or not completed, based on that you can see the status. But still, if you want to see that what documents it is posted for this purchase order, what GR document posted, what invoice document posted you want to see, you can go to item details. Okay, and you can go to here the purchase order history tab. So this is the updated purchase order history tab once you completed the any transaction for this purchase order. So if you can see that this is a document which is posted just now with 50 quantity and the price of this one. Okay, so you can go to here, you can see the same, you can go here also or you can go back, even that is also fine. So this is a document was posted with movement type 101. 101 is for, what is the abbreviation for 101? 101 is the GR with reference to goods receipt with reference to purchase order. Right? Yesterday we discussed, right? What are the movement types are there? Goods receipt with purchase order, good reversal. Okay. So this goods receipt was posted. Now I said that this material document is material document number. That means this using this material document number I can see that what stock, how much stock, what materials it is posted, all these things I can see. But where there is a FI integration, where accounting document financial team they can see that what value they posted. So you can go to here document info and you can see here FI document. If it is a valuated material stock movement, then the system will be posted accounting document here. Okay, so the accounting document was posted with the transactions. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way, okay, you can post the documents. Okay, so why we are not getting BSX here? Okay, Usually there is a BSX transaction code also will come. Okay, why it is not coming here? Because I will tell you the issue here. In the Metal Master actually we have changed to standard price control, right? The price control is standard, right? So the price control you have changed to S, but you didn't maintain the standard price. So as we discussed earlier, whatever the price which is maintained in the Metal Master record, in case of standard price control, system will be calculated price of the inventory with the price what you maintain in the Metal Master. So since you are not maintain any value here, because you are using the standard price control, you are using the standard price control. So if you are using the standard price control, the system will always take the price of what you maintain here. But if you are maintain the V, if you are maintain the moving average price V, then what will be happen? If you maintain the moving average price V, then what will be happen? System will be calculated based on the purchase order price, the fluctuations, like one vendor having the multiple different prices, the other vendor having the different prices. Whatever the stock you received, based on the price, vendor price, that information will be updated. So did you remember that we discussed this one price control S versus price control moving average price V when we were discussing about the material type. Do you
Yes, sir.
remember that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the impact. Okay, so if it didn't maintain, then the accounting document will be the stock account wise not updated. Okay, clear? Clear? So what I will do, now I'm doing that. Okay, so since it is a mistake, the document was not posted having the BSX. That means the BSX transaction event key is it is a stock inventory account. Okay, that inventory account. That means if I have the stock, I can go to the see the stock MMBE. The transaction code is MMBE to see the stock overview. Okay, and I can execute this one. What is the material number here? The material number is this one. Okay, so I'm just going here. What is the MMBE? Let's go to MMBE and enter the material number and execute that. So I got the stock 50,000. That means 50 quantity we received. Okay, but on order stock still have to deliver that 50 balance. So I can see stock here. Okay, and where I can see that the other postings and all, you can see MB51. Exactly, if you want to see, you can also go to MB51 and see that what documents which is posted, what are the material documents are posted here. You can see here the material document was posted on when it is posted 11th, and what is the movement type, what is the allocation, and everything it is coming. Okay, so you can see here. Here this is the material document, it is posted. Okay, you can also see in MB52 the stock overview, that means stock availability. Okay, so in MB52 you can see that this restricted stock was updated, but if you can see that the value was of this stock is 0. Okay, so the quantity it was showing, but stock wise value is 0. Okay, okay, so you can also see that display negative stocks. If any negative stocks are there, you can see that as well. So you can having the three transaction code. One is MMBE. MMBE is for only single material. I can see with the plan, I can see the material, how much stock it is available, and MB52, which I can see multiple materials. I can enter at a time multiple materials. I can see that. Okay, this is also can see the stock. Okay, and MB51, what material document was posted, the date, today date, or today user ID. So what are the documents it is posted, you can see that, and you can execute that. You can see the material document number here. Okay, so the transaction codes are report purpose MB51, MB5B, sorry, MB52, MB51, okay, and MMB, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is also MB5B. Okay, this is for the, you can see that stock on posting dates. We can also, you can see here stock on posting dates. This is also, you can see the open stock and closing stock on stock on receipt. So today, if suppose I want to see that today morning selection date, today morning how much stock is available, open stock. So I can see that, okay, today morning it was the stock on 11th, it is showing that total receipts are 50,000 and issues are 0. Okay, here also you can see. So this is transaction code of MB5B. You can see in MB5B also. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are four transaction code I have explained. Okay, so now I'll explain about that cancellation. If suppose I just mistakenly posted a document, okay, what I can do, I can go to select the cancellation. I can go with the cancellation of this document, and I just enter the material document number, what material document number which is posted, enter. Okay, so this is the 50 quantity which is just now posted. I just mistakenly posted. I want to cancel that document. So the movement type, what is the reversal movement type of actual movement type? What is the reversal movement type of actual movement type? One or two, no? 101 is the actual movement type. The next number is the reversal, right? Which we already discussed yesterday. You have to remember all this. What is the one or two? For 101 it is reversal 102. That means I am posted 101. Now I am just cancelling that. That means I am reversing that. So that 102 it is. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Hello? Yeah, okay. So now check and post. Now what happened? The document was reversed. That means whatever I mistakenly posted, the document I am just reversing that. So now how much stock available for this material? How much stock it is available for this material? What is the stock available now?
50.
How it is 50? How it is 50? So what is the stock we posted? First, what is the stock we posted? 50.
50.
So then what we did now? 50 cancelled. Then what is the stock available now? What is stock available? Zero.
0.
Zero, because we are reverse, right? So you can
Yeah.
also see here, this is the there is a click on here. You can see from here also MMB. It will go directly to MMB. Just click on here and see that the stock was 0. So the open stock still it is a remaining balance it is there. Why it is showing in the eaches? Because it is a base unit of measure each. If you want to see in the boxes, you can see in the box. Just click on that and reverse it. The system will be calculated in the boxes. Okay. So if you want to see in the boxes, you can see, or if you want to see in the eaches, you can see eaches. Clear? Now if I go to MB52 slash and MB52, what will be happen for MB52? This material, it will display like 0 because it is reversed. There is no stock posted. And if I go to MB51, what it will display? MB51. What is the purpose of MB51? The material documents will be displayed. So what are the material documents are posted? It is 50 posted and 50 reversed. Clear? Okay. And if I go to MB5B, what it will display? MB5B reverse, no? There is no 0. So goods receipts are 50, reversal, cancellation, issues, that is 50. So 0. There is no stock available currently. Right? Clear? Even MB52 also, it will display same. MB52 also, it is a zero stock only, because there is no stock which is posted. Okay, there is no stock posted. Now what I will do, I'll just go to MM02. Let me try to update the stock standard price. Okay, so I'm just trying to post okay, account data and GCM. I'm just going to that. I'm just trying to post a standard price. Okay, so the standard price, if I want to maintain here, okay, if you see here, so it is all grayed out. You cannot maintain here. It is grayed out, because while you creating only you can do this one. So in that case, where you can maintain is, okay, where you can maintain, you can do using MR21. MR21. Okay, so this standard price will be updated by financial persons accounting data. So MR21 you can maintain the price change. So here you can enter that when you want to be changed, and okay, and you can enter that uh, GCE, right? Company code is GCE, and GCEM. Okay, and I'm just enter that, and I'm just entering that material number and valuation type, no valuation type here, and I'm just entering that my price. Okay, new price. Okay, clear? So I'm just maintaining here and updated. Okay, so I'm just updated here. Okay, so that it will be posted in the display document. Yesterday, okay, the price, older price is 0 and new price was updated with 120. So only you can enter the first time only in MM01. After that, if you want to be entered, then you have to be go with MR21, because already documents are posting, right? So it won't be accepted. Now I'll go to MM03, enter here, MM03, I will enter here, and what is the material number here? This is the material number, enter, go to accounting data, okay, and GSM, and okay, the price which I have updated 120. Okay, so you can see the price which is updated here 120. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the way you can maintain MR21 for standard price maintenance. Usually for raw materials, packing materials, when you are buying from outside, usually you are maintaining price control V. Okay, but in case trading uh, materials, you can maintain standard also. Sometimes what will happen, trading materials like we are buying from outside and selling to the customer, in that case you can use the standard also. It depends on the your client requirement also. Okay, now I'll try to do again MIGO. Okay, and I'll just enter. Now you can receive that how much quantity you want to be received. If you want to be receive 10 quantity, you can receive 10 quantity. If you want to receive the full quantity, you can receive the full quantity, like that. You can see, you can maintain, and you can maintain all the details whatever it is required, and click on item OK, item OK, and check the dates and check and post. Okay, so this is the way you can post the documents. Okay, clear? This is where you can do the partial or you can do the fully also. Okay, the vendor details also it will come. Okay, all this information will come here. Clear? Any questions? Now if you can see that now BSX also which is getting now. Why we got BSX? Why we got this BSX? BSX is nothing but like a in the accounting terminology, BSX is posting for the stock inventory account. That means whenever you are getting the stock plus or minus, this BSX account will be updated. Either it is debited or credited. Okay, clear? And
Yes, sir.
WRX is the naming word is when you are receiving the GR, still if you are not cleared the invoice, that means GRIR clearing accounts is still not adjusted. So that GRIR clearing is the WRX. Okay, clear? And this PRD is the price difference. If you, when you maintain the standard price, price control is standard. So in the PO price is different, and in the material price is different, and the difference will be posted to this PRD account. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Now this inventory document is posted. Okay, so this inventory wise document posted. So now where I can see the stock is posted or not, I can go to MMBE, check that for material, how much price it is, how much stock it is posted, and how much still it is pending. Okay, if you want to see in the boxes also, you can see box, enter, and just click on refresh, then it will be show you 10 we are received, 90 is pending. Okay, and MB51, you can see the documents which is posted today. You can put the posting dates today, how many documents posted, it is whether it is cancelled or it is received, anything which will be displayed. Okay, so 50 received, 50 cancelled, and 10 is up again received. Okay, and you can go to MB52. You can also see that MB52 also at plant level. Okay, at plant level and store location level. Okay, so you can see the stock, how much it is there. This is the plant GCEM, and this is the store location. Clear? And if you go to MB5B also, you can see that the open stock, how much it is there, closing stock, how much it is there. So total receipts of 60,000, but cancel is 50,000, then only 10 quantity which is there available. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is where I can see the whether it is documents for the purchase order. What are the documents are posted for reference document? You can see in the purchase order display. Go to purchase order history, and I can see that there is a 101 posted. First 101 posted, cancelled, then again 101 posted. So 10 quantity which is posted. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so this is the way we can receive the quantity. So still how much it is pending? Still how much it is pending? We received only 10 quantity, right? How many quantities are pending? 90 quantities are pending. So did you complete an invoice? No, right? Still not invoice completed. Only just completed the 10 quantity, right? Clear? So now still it is 90 quantity still to be delivered and still not posted any invoice. Okay, clear? Now, if so, this is the way you can complete the GR. Okay, so I'll just go to accounting data here. Okay, and you can see here the stock value also it is updated here. Inventory value also updated because 10 quantity we are received, right? 10 into 120 and how much? 10 into 120. So that amount it will display. So my inventory value is 1200, right? Clear? So you can also see material price analysis also. You can see what are the GR posted, what is the PO posted, PO and GR, what it is posted, how much it is. Like analysis I can see, material price analysis. Clear? This is the actual purpose of the material ledger. To see that what it is exactly posted by price analysis. Okay? Clear? Are you clear on that?
Yes.
Okay, so now what is the material which I posted? Okay, so this is material which I posted. Okay, so now let's try this material. Okay, let's try this material. I'm just creating the purchase order. Okay, now I am creating one more time direct manual PO purchase order which I am creating. I'm just creating a purchase order for other material, which is the material ledger is not activated. Let's see what error we'll get. Okay. Okay, so I'll be entering 10 quantity. and the price I'm just entering that 120 rupees. Okay, so account assignment category mandatory for this material. Why it is coming? Account assignment category. Let's see the material first. Let's go to material master record first. Let's see what is the material type. So what is the material type here? The material type is RROH. So let's see in RROH in the material type level. Okay, I'll go to /o OMS2 material type configuration. Okay, RRROH. Okay, select this one, double click on that. Okay, so this is the material type which I am using, and go to quantity and value update and go to GCEM, and have to be activated for quantity update and value update. So if you are not updated, then it will ask that account assignment category. So it won't be accepted that in the middle purchase order creation without entering the account assignment category. So now I just updated that. Let's click on check. Okay, still I'm getting this error, right? I'll go back and come back. ME21 and okay, now that error was gone. Okay, that error was gone. So this is different errors. Okay, warning message, just warning message. I just skipping that. Okay, now this purchase order I have created. So just see that the purchase orders, the material master record, the material ledger is not activated. Let's see if this material ledger activated is not activated. Let's see if system will give the error message or not. MIGO, I'm just trying to post MIGO. Okay, and doing the code shift with purchase order and PO number, enter. Okay, this is some release strategy right there. Okay, I'll go to ME29. Okay, so this is release strategy right there. Okay, leave it. Okay, so now I will go again and enter that purchase order number, enter. Now 10 quantity which you order. Okay, I'm just doing the I'm just entering that store location, what store location it is required. I can enter that store location, enter, and click on check. Okay, and post. So here I'm getting this error. Did you remember that missing connection of material in plant GCEM, right? This is error we got, right?
Yeah, C++.
Right. So for that material ledger should be activated in the MM03. Okay, this is inconsistency. Material ledger inconsistency. It should be activated automatically here. This checkbox and price determination should be updated automatically. Okay, so when I tried in the CKMM, okay, so this we are tried, right? So here it's not updated, right? So I will try here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to SC38. Okay, and I'll be entering this FML repair and this one. I'll just execute this one, and the material number. What is the material number here? This is the material number, right? Oh, sorry, this is not material number. This is PO number. This is the material number. Okay, this is material number, and valuation area. Valuation area is the GCM only, right? The valuation area is GCS, and RRO is the material type. I'll just click on here. Okay, so one material can be creation. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go and remove this text and execute. Then one material was processed successfully. Okay, so I'll go to now, I'll just see MM03 and go to material according data. Okay, and go to here. Now you can see that it is updated. The material ledger is activated and that price determination was updated. Okay, so this program is using for any inconsistency in the material ledger activation at material level, that you can using this program you can execute this one. you can correct that. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this now I can go to MIGO. I can go to MIGO and I just enter the purchase order number. Okay, sorry, but this is not purchase order number.
That is material numbers.
Okay, this is 404. Okay, and you can enter that the store location details and material, all you can see that. Now uh, click on check item OK, and click on check and post. So now document is posted. So the materializer, once the materializer is activated, the system automatically posting the material document number without any error. Clear? So now you can see that this FI documents flow. Okay, accounting document. You can see only two we got, not PRD. We didn't receive the PRD. Only PXX and WRX you got. Okay, one is for clearance, goods receipt invoice clearance, and one is for the stock inventory account. Okay, so why we got this one? Why there is a PRD? There is no PRD because in the price in the metal master, for this metal master in the accounting, okay, we maintain that the price control is V, not S. Okay, so that means the system is taking that whatever the price you are maintained in the PO, based on that only it is calculating. What is the price you are maintained here, based on the system it is calculating. 110 rupees divided by 10. So like it will be calculated. Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Right. Yes, sir.
So that is the difference between the moving average price and the standard price. When you maintain the standard price, always the price inventory account was updated with standard price which is maintained in the metal master. But if you maintain moving average price based on the PO price, every time it will be updated the difference. Okay. So what is the formula? It is like total inventory value by total inventory stock. Right? Okay, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if you go to MM03 for this material, okay, now this 1.80 is there, na? Per unit price is 1.80 in the CADs, 1.20 is the in euros. Okay, now it's not constant, it is not always constant. It will be changed. When it will be changed? When you are adding the stock with the different prices. Suppose let's say I'm just going to that again, I'm just creating that material PO with a new PO. I'm just creating that new PO. The same different, okay, for the same material and same plan. Okay, and I'm just so since I just entered last PO 110 rupees, right, it is coming automatically 110. But now if you want to be changed, now suppose let's say they have changed the price to 150, then I am changing to 150 rupees. Okay, so then save. Now PO as created with 150 rupees. Why it is? It's not updated. Huh? Okay, let's try again. 150 rupees. Okay. Okay, 150 rupees now. Okay. So okay, this is the PO with 150 rupees price. Okay, now I'm just receiving the goods receipt with the same price. Okay, so go to MI GO and I'm receiving the goods to purchase order, enter. Okay, this price is not released. Okay, ME29N. So this is the approval strategy, we'll discuss later. This is not okay. So somebody deactivated approval strategy, so that's why it is asking that the first level approvals, manager approval have to give. Okay, so that we'll discuss later. Now I'll go to MIGO and enter. Okay, now I'm just receiving the quantity, 10 pieces quantity. Okay, and check and location. You have to enter the location because you are not entering the PO level, so it is asking here. Check. and post. Now the document was posted with 150 rupees, right? So you can see in the document info, the stock inventory account is updated with 150, 1500, okay? But earlier it is 1100, okay? Now go to my stock value is now, what is my stock value of now? Current stock, 20 quantity, right? So earlier 10 quantity, now 10 quantity we restored, 20 quantity. Now just remember these prices here, 1.80, 1.20. I'll go back and refresh now, MM03. Go to accounting and enter here. You can see that now it is changed to 2.13, 1.4 to 2.13. It is CAD and the euros. Why it is first changed? Because it is updated based on the PO price. It is the averagely it is taking. Like earlier is the earlier was the 1.10, then now it is 1.50. So the total was 1100 plus 1500, 2600 by total stock is 20. So it is like calculating that total stock by total value, total PO price value. Okay, total value by total stock value by total stock. Okay, so based on that it will be changing every time the price differences. Clear? You can also see here the price analysis here. You can see here. Okay, the first goods receipt was posted with 18.03. The next was which is posted with 2.4. So the value was updated. Clear? There is no two purchase orders. It is there. So you can see the original documents also here. Okay, you can see reference the original documents also. So this is it is displaying in the company code currency. That's why it is showing in the CADs and all. Okay. So however you want to be show in the euro, if you want to show in the euros, you can see in the euros also. How you want to see that valuation, you can see. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So it will show you that each document level what is the price. Actually initially what is the value and that after that what is the value. Okay. Clear? So they say now if I posted again one more, what will happen? If I posted again one more, now what I will do, okay, I will just go to goods receipt and I don't have any purchase order. Let's assume that I don't have any purchase order. What I can do, I can select goods receipt without others. Okay, I can use that 501 moment type. So I have not maintained the PO, but okay, I'm just receiving the stock. Okay, so what I can do, I can go to enter that all the information whatever it is required. So that means without purchase order also you can receive the stock. There is no problem. Okay. So you can receive boxes now and enter the material number. Sorry, what is the material number here? This is the material number here. Okay, enter the material number. Okay, enter and click on check here. Okay, so who is the vendor? You can also enter the vendor also. Okay, and click on check. Okay, so convertible in the unit of not convertible. Okay, I'll just put it in the EHS only. Okay, now this is the now we are getting the different transaction event key because we are not created any PO, right? So this is the consumption account which is posted for that. So you can go to okay, you can go to that SPRO, SAP reference IMG and material management and valuation and account estimate and account determination without withdraw, and you can post the account configuration automation. So you can go to direct transaction code also, OBYC you can go directly transaction. Okay, so then what is that? We got the error for GBB, right? I'm just entering the GBB and ANT is the chart of account, and what is the error we are getting? What error we are getting here? Is it I closed here? Okay, so what I'm getting GBP ZOB 3001. Okay, ZOB 3001. So let's see ZOB 3001. I'm just creating here. I'll go back again and have to go to change. Entry. Okay, so ZOB 3001. 300. Save. Is it 001 or 3001? 300. 3001. Okay, I'll just go here. Again 3001. How to maintain 3001. Okay, so now I just have maintained. Suppose you are not remember that part now, then what you can do, you can just click on a question mark here, and here you can see that there will be a steps here. In the down there is a steps, you can see process. There is click on process, then it will go directly there only. It will go to here only. Okay, here also you can maintain. Or else if you not remember this also, you can go directly transaction, go to OBOC. Okay, so now I just maintain this one, click on check and post. Now document is posted. Now document was posted without PO. Now I didn't create any PO, right? I didn't create any PO, right? I just posted directly stock because it is I don't have time to create a PO, so I have received vendor stock immediately. When I have some emergency, I just go to vendor and just posted. But the stock also posted in the inventory only, right? So that means inventory account will come. Inventory account will come, right? So that inventory account will be posted in the BSX, and this is the GBP which is for the consumption, because we don't have PO, right, reference. So invoice we are clearing, so that GBP it will be posted. Okay, now we got the stock, right? If you see that the stock which is posted with 213.10 rupees, how you got this one? How the system is considered that 213? How it system is considered 213 rupees? You can go here, you can see it here. Okay, so from here it is taking that the average price of that and it is calculating, right? Now if I refresh this one, what will be happen? I got one more stock which is with using the 501 moment type, because I don't have a PO number, right? So I just posted with 501. With that also it is updated. So the average stock which is now updated. So the average stock was updated. Now the price was also changed, right? So this is the way you can also receive the stock without purchase order also. Clear? So the system will be calculated averagely how it is the moving average. Based on the system will be calculated the inventory value. Clear? So this is the way you can do the goods shipped. Now I have done PR, I have done RFQ, I have done quotation, I have done price comparison, I have done purchase order is done, GR is done. What else it is there to complete that?
Invoice verification.
Vendor invoice verification. Okay, we'll do tomorrow for that. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.